power grids and communication networks, the core infrastructure that determines a nation's competitiveness. Donghae Machinery and Aviation is playing a key role on the ground in building and operating that infrastructure. Knowing that our products and services drive our customer success and contribute to national economic growth and a better quality of life, we are constantly striving toward greater goals with a deep sense of pride and responsibility. We are Donghae Machinery and Aviation.
Since its founding in 1981, Donghae Machinery and Aviation has stayed true to a singular path, the specialized vehicle industry. Through continuous innovation, we have secured a commanding position in the mid to small-sized aerial platform sector. Starting with small hydraulic cranes, we steadily expanded our business by developing small aerial platforms for telecommunications work, followed by insulated aerial platforms for power line maintenance. Today, we lead every core segment of our business with a dominant market share, setting the standard for the entire industry. Building on the technology, operational capabilities, product and service quality, and reliability we've accumulated along the way, we are now actively expanding into international markets beyond Korea, striving to become a true global leader. Through ongoing product development and technological innovation, Donghae Machinery and Aviation provides specialized equipment for both industrial and everyday applications, which include mid to small-sized aerial platforms, tailored for the installation and maintenance of telecom lines and cable TV networks, low and high voltage insulated aerial platforms, essential for power line maintenance, hydraulic cranes optimized for heavy lifting, and sky lifts widely used across industrial sites and daily environments. We continue to earn customer trust through a comprehensive one-stop service, from research and development to manufacturing, sales, and after-sales support. Donghae Machinery and Aviation has developed the capability to precisely understand and proactively meet customer needs, even in the midst of diverse global business environments. We've earned strong trust and positive responses not only in regions with harsh working conditions, such as Southeast Asia and the Middle East, but also in demanding markets like Australia, known for its stringent quality standards. Standing shoulder to shoulder with leading global competitors in power infrastructure development, we continue to prove our competitiveness on the world stage. Donghae Machinery and Aviation delivers outstanding products and services that meet and exceed customer expectations, powered by 4 core competencies that set us apart from competitors. Our business is built on these core competencies. Through these differentiated strengths, we provide unmatched quality and service, continuously exceeding the expectations of our customers. Supported by assembly lines and a parts supply chain specifically structured for high-volume production in the mid to small-sized aerial platform sector, Donghae Machinery and Aviation is the only company in Korea with the infrastructure and systems to produce over 1,500 vehicles annually. Donghae Machinery and Aviation has secured industry-leading levels of quality and reliability through a proactive quality management system that ensures immediate issue sharing and root cause resolution. Donghae Machinery and Aviation is the only company in the industry to operate a nationwide network of customer service centers directly under its management. Unlike competitors who rely on dealer networks for service, we offer a far more professional and timely service. Every product at Donghae Machinery and Aviation is developed using our own in-house technology. From mechanical design to electrical and electronic design and core component development, our dedicated and highly specialized R&D center drives technological independence and innovation, which has created a powerful barrier to entry that competitors find difficult to overcome. Through continuous research and development, Donghae Machinery and Aviation holds numerous technology patents. Our industry-leading R&D center is dedicated to pioneering innovative new technologies and making groundbreaking advancements to existing ones, enabling us to secure world-class technological leadership. With unwavering passion, Donghae Machinery and Aviation has built a legacy of bold challenges. Today, our products and technologies have become the industry standard. Now, we set our sights higher and farther. Building on our 4 unrivaled core competencies, we will continue to expand our business horizons. And we will rise as a global leader, competing on the world stage.
Donghae Machinery and Aviation's challenge toward the future. A journey we take together with our customers. With pride in contributing to the national economy and a firm belief that our customers' success is our own. We will continue to drive relentless innovation and sustainable growth.